Hello friends, welcome back to IT Gay channel. Today we are going to discuss about SAP spying issues and other active accessibility mode spying issues. Before going into that, wish you all very happy and prosperous Diwali. So we will start. The issue description is I have spied on element in my system and it is working fine, and the same BP release I am exporting and put it into another VM machine, and I am trying to interact with that element but it is not working. So what is the issue throwing from BP is multiple elements are found. So when I have tried to investigate more, I try to highlight that element, and it highlights in two places. So you can, as you can see in the screen, it highlighted in two places and says more than one element were found. I was trying to run from the debugging mode and the same issue. I was wondering what is the issue while it is running fine from my system and it is not working from the VM. So I was trying to change the attributes. I have changed the ancestor count. I have checked the ancestor count and it was showing one element which was not in the correct place. When I try to highlight, it was in the wrong place. The button is upside. So I was trying to run from the debugging mode, and however it is in the wrong place, it was working fine. So the button is upside but highlighting in the wrong place. So I was wondering what is the issue, and then I have found out this is a Windows scale setting issue. So if you right click in the Windows desktop and go to the display settings, here you can see Windows scale settings. Here it should be 100 percentage, then only it will be working fine in your both the local desktop and in your VM also, then only it is working fine. So in your VM or in your system it is not enabled, means you can go to the advanced scaling settings and you can choose the value and select apply. So then it will be working fine. It should be done in both in your desktop and in the VM also, then only everything will work fine. So in this way I have found out this is the issue. This will resolve every issue regarding the spying, regarding spying the element in SAP or any browser based application with the active accessibility spying mode. So hope it is useful for you. Thank you guys, thank you. If you have any queries, leave it in comments. I will try to answer in the next video. Thank you.